Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how I can take a knife and fix a tip on it using my Work Sharp Canadian edition with a blade grinder attachment. As you can see, the tip on this knife is broken and a little bent, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and adjust it to the 35-degree angle, and then I'm going to grind on it just a little bit, just to try to take a little bit off and straighten that tip out. So here I've got it, just going to lightly hold it down and take a little bit of meat off of that, but just a very little bit, just as much as necessary. And now I'm going to just take it and start grinding away the serrations. And what I'm doing is just working on the end there, just to take a little bit more of that blunt edge out so I can get a point back on this knife. And as you can see, it's really taking shape. Just a couple more passes. I'm very particular about making sure I do the same number of passes on each side. I hope if you're counting that's actually the case. So now what I'm going to do is just move that angle. If you see, it goes right back to the 20 degrees. I really like the 20-degree angle. It's about the best all-around angle. I sharpen almost all of the knives I have, and I do for my customers at this angle, unless they request something else. But now I'm just setting this angle on this knife, 3 passes on each side, and I've set it, and then I'll just go through each grit of the belts, and where I get to a nice, smooth, very, very sharp edge that will take it to be a usable steak knife again. So now here on out, I'm just going to go through all the belts. I'll speed it up for you so you can see how I do it. Now I'm at the very last belt here. This is basically stropping off the edge and putting a almost a mirror finish on the edge, and taking out every little nick. You can, if you look really close at the video, you can see that you can see that wire edge. Those aren't the serrations you're seeing. It's just that wire edge that's formed and that'll need to be knocked off. So I'm going to finish this up, and then you'll see I knock that burr off. I use Murray Carter's method. What I do is I just take it, run it a couple times on some soft pine board I have for a shelf. You can see here that it's got a very good tip back on it, and hopefully give me some more years of service.